In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check seller ratings on Amazon, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, what the ratings mean, and how to read them so you can buy with confidence, especially when the item isn't sold directly by Amazon. This is useful because Amazon is a marketplace with millions of third-party sellers, and a quick look at a seller's track record can help you avoid delays, poor packaging, or complicated returns. First, open your browser and go to Amazon.com. You don't have to be signed in to see seller ratings, but if you're planning to buy, it's a good idea to log in so the page layout matches what you'll see at checkout. If you're on the mobile app, everything I show will still apply, though the buttons may be in slightly different places and you might need to scroll a bit more. Next, search for the item you're interested in and select a product from the results. You're just picking something to use as a starting point, so any listing that looks legitimate will work. When you find one, click into the product page so you can see all the details, images, and purchase options. On the product page, find the area that contains the Add to Cart and Buy Now buttons. On desktop, this is the box on the right side. On mobile, it's near the middle of the page, just above the Buy Now button. Look for the line that says Sold By. Sometimes you'll also see Ships From and Fulfilled By. If it says Sold by Amazon, that means Amazon is the seller, and there usually isn't a separate third-party rating to check. If it lists a store name you don't recognize, that's a third-party seller, and that's your cue to look closer. Click the seller's name right next to Sold By. If there are multiple sellers offering the same product, you may also see a section called Other Sellers on Amazon, or a link such as New and Used From. You can open that to view a list of sellers and click any seller's name from there. Either way, you'll end up on the seller's storefront or profile page. On the seller page, look for reviews or feedback. Click that to open the seller's rating details. Here, you'll typically see the percentage of positive ratings over different time frames such as the last 30 days, 90 days, and 12 months, along with the total number of ratings. A high percentage with a large number of ratings suggests consistent performance. A perfect score with only a handful of ratings may simply mean the seller is new or has low volume. Scroll through the feedback to read recent comments. Focus on patterns rather than one-off complaints. If you see repeated notes about shipping delays, items arriving used or damaged, or poor communication, that's a caution sign. If most negative feedback is older and recent reviews are consistently positive, the seller may have improved operations. Also remember that for items fulfilled by Amazon, shipping speed and packaging can reflect Amazon's logistics rather than the seller's own warehouse, so weigh those comments accordingly. For sellers who ship their own items, shipping-related feedback is more directly relevant to their reliability. If the seller has very limited feedback, consider the risk relative to the item's price and urgency, and check the seller's return and refund policies on their page. You can also look for response time indicators or badges that show how quickly they typically answer questions. If you need more clarity, use the Ask a Question or Contact button on the seller's page to message them through Amazon's system. Staying within Amazon helps ensure your communication and any resolutions are covered by Amazon's policies. That's all there is to it. Open Amazon, choose a product, go to the product page, click the Sold By line, open the seller's name, and then tap Reviews to read their feedback. With these steps, you'll be able to quickly gauge a seller's reputation and shop smarter on the platform.